Hey y'all, happy Monday. Welcome to day one of the challenge, everyone. Today is about hydration, which means water intake. So I made this topic day one of the challenge because a lot of people underestimate their water intake, and being able to optimize it is really important, especially for weight loss and or reaching your fitness goals. So increasing the amount of water you consume, understanding different ways to consume water, improving your hydration habits, and how to know if you are drinking enough water. So water is essential and it has many important roles. It helps to move nutrients and waste through your body, keep your blood pressure normal, protect and cushion your joints and organs, control your body temperature, and lower your risk of dehydration and heat stroke, especially in the summer. So first thing you should do in the morning is to drink water, not coffee. I'll say 8 ounces, which is 1 cup, or even have 2 cups. Why? Because water helps improve our digestion, our immune system, flushing out toxins, reducing headaches, and improves those energy levels to keep our hunger at bay. So in order for our metabolism and other parts of our body to function properly, we need enough water. So how do you know if you drink enough water? First thing I want you to do is to create a hydration goal. I know that sounds not interesting, but everyone's needs are different. So understanding how much water you need is a big part in making sure you're getting the right amount. It's a lot easier to stay on track when you set a goal, right? The amount of fluids you need depends on your age, gender, and level of physical activity. Remember that you will need an even more fluids to stay hydrated in hot weather and when you are physically active. So here are the action steps I want you to take so that way you can implement more water. Number 1, you're going to divide your body weight in pounds in half. That's how many ounces of water you should be drinking per day. If you're bad at math, that's fine. Just aim for 6 to 8 classes, and then we're going to be able to adjust and go from there. Because the majority of you, keeping coffee in mind as well, only drink 2 to 3 glasses a day, and that's with coffee included. So aim for 6 to 8 glasses of water, and if you want to be exact, take your body weight in pounds and divide it in half. Number 2, buy yourself a nice bottle, somewhere you can take your water with you all the time. Don't use plastic water bottles because you're intaking those chemicals. Buy a bottle, so use this kind of bottle. See, it's oh, okay, wait. See, it's metal and like aluminum is better, right? Buy a bottle that's going to inspire you to drink more. So what I recommend is those 1.5 liter portable jugs as well. Number 3, flavor up your water to make it drinkable for you, especially if you're not a fan of drinking water or if you're new to it, right? When I mean flavor up, I didn't mean to get those sugar sweetened beverages as they are low in nutrients and high in calories and added sugar, especially fruit juice and fruit beverages. So ever heard the saying drinking your calories? So what I meant was flavoring up your water with lemon, lime, berries, orange segments, whatever you prefer to make it taste good. Make sure to pre-cut them and put them in the freezer or fridge so every morning you just take a couple, put it in there, and you're ready to drink it. Playing around with the temperature, such as having ice in your water so then that way you can actually enjoy it. If you prefer sparkling water, that is fine too. Just make sure it's sodium free. Your body does not need sports drinks if you are not exercising, especially a lot, because they need those electrolytes. If you drink sports drinks when you are not exercising, you will simply be increasing your sugar intake. Fruit juice and fruit beverages should be limited as they contain a high amount of sugar. Even the ones labeled no sugar added still contains a high amount of sugar. So it's better to eat fruit instead of drinking juice. Whole fruits have the added benefits of fiber and other minerals and nutrients not found in juice. Number 4, bring it with you at all times and place it beside you or in front of you. It has to be easily visible and accessible because if it's not, then you're not going to be able to be consistent with your water intake. A big thing is to plan when you drink your water. That might sound silly, but it's something that's always overlooked, especially if you're used to being dehydrated. your body is not going to ask for water frequently until it starts to get dehydrated. So what you can do is to set a reminder on your phone to drink water. So every hour to an hour and a half, we would recommend you to take a little bit. Like I like to aim for 8 ounces or 1 cup, sometimes 2 cups in the morning when I get up, and then another 8 ounces before I have lunch and dinner. So how do you know if you are not drinking enough water? If you are not drinking enough water, you are dehydrated, and that is when you lose more fluid than you take in. And here are signs of dehydration: thirst, dry lips and mouth, flushed skin, headaches, seriously, dizziness and fainting, dark yellow, strong smelling urine, and low blood pressure and increased heart rate. You may be dehydrated even if you don't have any of the signs, so it is important to drink fluids often before you feel thirsty. So once you've decided how much water you need and how much water you're going to drink, and you took those steps, I want you to make a separate post in the group, hashtag water goal, then tag me so I see it. So then that way we can know how much water you're going to be aiming to drink each and every day. Again, once you've decided how much water you need and how much water you're going to drink, and you took those steps, I want you to make a separate post in the group, and then hashtag water goal, then tag me so I see it, so then that way we can know how much water you're going to be aiming to drink each and every day. So again, make water your first choice. Drink water regularly for a calorie-free way to satisfy your thirst. Keep a jug of cold water in the fridge, and pack a reusable water bottle to bring with you everywhere. Keep a glass of water or your water bottle near you at work. You tend to drink more if it's right in front of you. Give your water some extra flavor by adding lemon or lime wedges, berries, apple chunks, whatever you prefer, and order water more often when eating out. At restaurants, especially fast food, ask for a cup of water. It is often no charge. Alright, that's the end of this video. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below or DM me. Don't forget that tomorrow is day 2 of the challenge at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It will be about sleep, stress management, and recovery. Bye for now!